My dear students, our questions based on image and footer from our material classwork level 1 question number 32. Foot of the perpendicular of origin on the line joining the points a cos theta comma a sin theta a cos phi comma a sin phi is. Here if you use the common sense then no need to go for procedure. You can directly we can get the answer because of if you want to do this problem through the foot of the perpendicular formula, first we have to find out the line equation passing through these 2 points. That means 2 points form y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is the formula we have. Use that formula. First we have to find out the line equation. After that you find the foot of the perpendicular of origin with respect to this line. So use this formula. It will be very lengthy procedure to finding the line equation of these 2 points. Okay, and after that finding the apply the formula foot of the perpendicular formula. It is very lengthy. But if you use the common sense, already I gave based on these questions. If you old students, they can understand the distance from origin to a cos theta a sin theta. What we have same we have for origin to a cos phi comma a sin phi also. So in previous classes I gave. Okay, so new students, now onwards, we just remember from origin whatever may be a, if a cos theta a sin theta, the angles are different but here coefficients are equal, then the distance from origin to this point, distance from origin to this points are equal. Okay, so now I am saying one thing. Let us consider the given point by taking this is the rough sketch. So this is the point A. A means some a cos theta, a sin theta. This is B. B means a cos phi, B sin phi. So from we have to find out the foot of the perpendicular from origin to this line. So let us consider foot of the perpendicular. So we have to drop like this. We need to find out this is the point, some P. Okay. So because of OA is equal to OB. Because of OA is equal to OB. So now what can you say? This is nothing but a perpendicular bisector. This is nothing but perpendicular bisector. Okay. Whenever OA is equal to OB, if you drop a perpendicular, that is nothing but bisector also. Because of it is an isosceles triangle. If you use the plane geometry concept in 10th class or 8th or 9th class, whatever may be. Okay. So whenever if it is the perpendicular bisector, then this point is nothing but midpoint of AB only. So midpoint of AB means what is that? A cos theta plus a cos phi by 2, a sin theta plus a sin phi by 2. That is the answer. So why the distance are equal means if you go for distance formula. So let us consider O 0 comma 0, a cos theta a sin theta, b a cos phi a sin phi, and OA distance from O to A. So root over a cos theta minus 0 whole square. So 0 has no meaning. So a square cos square theta plus a cos sin theta minus 0 whole square. That means a square sin square theta. If you take a square common here, so cos square theta plus sin square theta. So because of cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1. So root over a square. Root over a square is equal to mod a. Because of a, that is positive or negative, we don't know. So we have to write modulus of a. If you know the number, for suppose 3 square. Okay, 3 we have to write. 4 square, 4 we have to write. But it is the positive or negative, we don't know. So we have to write a modulus of a. And OB is equal to, what is that same procedure? A square cos square phi plus a square sin square phi. So a square common, cos square phi plus sin square phi, that is also 1. So root a square is equal to mod a. So OA is equal to OB we have. So that is the procedure. Whenever OA is equal to OB, it forms a isosceles triangle with OA is equal to OB. So foot of the perpendicular, it is perpendicular. Whenever it is perpendicular, that is the bisector of AB also. So bisector of AB means midpoint of AB only, that point P. So that is nothing but a cos theta a plus a sin phi by 2, a sin theta plus a sin phi by 2. Take a common, cos theta plus cos phi by 2, a common, cos sin theta plus sin phi by 2. That is the answer for this question. Very easy. Okay, next question 33. Suppose a comma b are 2 points on 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and p 1 comma 2 is such that PA is equal to PB, then the midpoint of AB is, okay, then the midpoint of AB he is asking. A comma B are 2 points on 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us consider this is the line 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and take A is here, B is here, so 2 points, okay. And P1 comma 2 is such that PA is equal to PB, same concept. P1 comma 2 is here, so he has given PA is equal to PB, okay. PA is equal to PB, then midpoint of AB. Indirectly is asking midpoint of AB is nothing but, here they given midpoint, here by taking perpendicular we got midpoint, so same concept if you apply, if it is the midpoint then it is nothing but perpendicular. So what he is asking indirectly, foot of the perpendicular of P on the line 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So what we have to find out, foot of the perpendicular of P with respect to line 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That is the concept. So apply the formula. Here just you take x1 comma y1, given point is 1 comma 2, and line is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and let us consider foot of the perpendicular is some P is equal to h comma k. Sorry, he only given P, so we don't denote with P foot of the perpendicular. You go for some other point, some B, whatever maybe you take. So write the formula first. H minus x1 by A is equal to k minus y1 by B is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So here x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 2, substitute here, and a, b, c are nothing but a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 3. So substitute here h minus 1 by 2, because of a is equal to 2, is equal to k minus y1 means 2 by, so b is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus of 2 into 1 minus of 2, substitute here, okay, because of in the place of y1 you have to substitute, minus a x1 plus b1 plus c means x1 comma y1, substitute here, that is only the answer, minus of 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 3 by a square plus b square, a square means 2 square plus minus 1 whole square, that is 1. So this implies h minus 1 by 2 is equal to k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus plus 2 minus 2 plus 3, that is minus 3 by 5. So this implies h minus 1 by 2 is equal to, so if you want to get the h value, so equate these two. So h minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5, k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5. So h minus 1 is equal to 2 3s are 6, minus 6 by 5, k minus 2 is equal to 3 by 5. So h is equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 1, okay. So h is equal to, so minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1 by 5. So similarly k is equal to 3 by 5 plus 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. So that that foot of the perpendicular is nothing but minus 1 by 5 comma 13 by 5. Okay, very clear answer. So indirectly the given question, directly is not asking the question. So like that we have to understand the question. Next one. A line passing through the points 7 comma 2 minus 3 comma 2, then the image of the line in x-axis is, okay, the image of the line in x-axis. So he is asking line equation. Line equation means we have to apply, this is the formulas. Line means any curve f of x sum x of x comma y is equal to 0. Okay, first we have to find out the line equation passing through 7 comma 2 comma minus 3 comma 2. So what is the formula? Actually we can understand here y coordinates are equal. If y coordinates equal, then that is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means slope is equal to 0. Okay, slope is equal to 0 and parallel to x-axis, that is nothing but a very clear answer. Whenever 7 comma 2 minus 3 comma 2, the line equation is nothing but y is equal to 2. Very clear answer. Parallel to x-axis and passing through 7 comma 2 minus 3 comma 2, and that is that means passing through the, that is parallel to x-axis and passing through some 0 comma 2, that is the answer. So we have y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. Any formula we can use. Okay, otherwise you use the formula y minus y1 is equal to slope is equal to 0 because it is parallel to x-axis, 0 into x minus 7. If you use x1 comma y1 as this point, then y minus 2 is equal to 0 and anything is 0. So y is equal to 2. So image of y minus 2 with respect to x-axis. What is the formula? With respect to x-axis, it changes its y coordinate changes its sign. Okay, that means replace in this equation only y by minus y. Okay, so because of there is no x terms also, no problem. Okay, so if it is there, just you write directly x terms. Okay, as it is there. So just change y by minus y. So minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you take minus common, what you have? Minus of y plus 2 is equal to 0, or y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Very easy. Next one. The image of the curve x square plus y square is equal to 1 in the line x plus y is equal to 1 is. So this is the formula. The image of any curve with respect to x plus y is equal to k is f of k minus y comma k minus x is equal to 0. So I have written formula here also. Image of f of x comma y is equal to 0 with respect to x plus y is equal to k. Here k is equal to 1. Okay. So f of k minus y comma k minus x is equal to 0. That means just replace x by first term is always x coordinate, second one is always y coordinate. That is the important. Here don't understand. Here x minus y means replace y by x minus y. That is not correct. So what is the first position? That is always goes to x. Second one is always goes to y. So replace x by k minus 1. Replace y by, that means 1 minus y. Replace x by 1 minus y. Replace y by 1 minus x, because of k is equal to 1. So that is 1 minus y whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to 1. So expand 1 square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 square plus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. A minus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula. So total we have y square plus x square minus 2x minus 2y, 1 and 1 get cancelled. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So next question. Image of 1 comma 2 with respect to minus 2 comma minus 1 is. Okay, so this is the last formula. Okay, image of x1 comma y1 with respect to point h comma k is 2h minus x1 comma 2k minus y1. So here image of 1 comma 2 means here h comma k, this is the point, this is x1 comma y1. Okay, so what you have? Image is equal to 2h minus x1, 2 into minus 2 minus 1. Next 2k minus y1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, just to write as it is. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 5 comma minus 4. That is the answer for this question. Next one. The image of the point minus 2 comma minus 7 under the transformation x comma y. Like that question, whenever you have the image of the point minus 2 comma minus 1 under the transformation x comma y tends to what is asking? X minus 2y comma minus 3x plus y. Okay, so like that, whenever they given condition, then we have to follow that condition only. Very clear question like that. Like first we have to read the question 2 or 3 times and remember the way of questioning. Like this question, whenever you have, just follow the condition. That is only the answer for that question. That means it is x comma y. This is transforming to x minus 2y comma minus 3x plus y. So answer is if you follow this condition, you get the answer. So replace x comma y by minus 2 comma minus 7 in this form. That is only our required answer. So what is the answer? Minus 2 into minus 7 comma minus 3 into minus 2 plus minus 7. So simplify what you have. Minus 2 plus 14, that is 12, minus 6, sorry, plus 6 minus 7. Plus 6 minus 7 means minus 1. So answer is 12 comma minus 1. That is the answer for this question. So these are the questions based on foot and images. So you children, if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay.